Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on settings. From here, just scroll down and tap on voicemail. Now from here, just tap on service provider, and from here, just select your service provider. In my case, it is my carrier. Now once you do that, just tap on voicemail number. Now from here, just enter your voicemail number, just like that. Now once you enter your voicemail number, just tap on OK and tap on OK. And this is how you can set up voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.